And what's good, y'all? It's your boy Roy. We back. Here's a new setup. Gonna start using it on the next video. Pretty much just gonna test it out today, you know, just to see like the different settings, stuff like that. All right, let's get this started up. There we go. This thing is real cool. I'm not gonna lie. It's my very first camera that I ever bought. Things are about to get a whole lot better. I've been using my phone lately, if y'all haven't noticed, and now finally we got an actual camera, so content is definitely gonna get a lot better. This thing is pretty cool though, y'all. So it's touchscreen. Say if I want to change, time lapse, video, photo. Let's get the first photo in, y'all. I might have to put it down because the button's up here. I thought you could like tap it, but it's all good. Oh look, this is a pretty nice shot actually. So let's get the first one, y'all. Set it up real quick. Y'all won't be able to see on here unfortunately, but boom, first pick. Not gonna be the best because I was quick, but just wanted to show y'all an example. Swipe up to see the, there you go. Can't really focus on it, but there's a pick, y'all. That simple. It looks pretty cool. They do have an editing app called GoPro Quick. There's like editing software, stuff like that, y'all, but definitely gonna use that. First pick is down, y'all. I'm gonna put the camera down, mess with this a little bit, see what's up with the settings. Just got done playing around with the camera. Pretty cool. I like how it looks a lot, to be honest. All the different settings. I still have to learn, obviously, how it works, how to utilize literally everything it has. There is like a little easy mode where it pretty much automatically adjusts everything, which that's what it's on right now, obviously. Once I learn it, then I'll switch to I think it's called Pro mode, where you get a little bit more like hands-on control of pretty much everything. So I'm done messing around with it, y'all, for now at least. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna put that head attachment on and film just some quick test videos. I don't know if I'm gonna use it or not. So I just took the video with the head strap. It was a pretty cool little experience. Here's a quick little glimpse. Let me skip a little. I was just setting it up right there, but yeah. Adjust it a little bit. I hope that's good enough for y'all. But yeah, I don't even know if I'm gonna post this footage or not. I don't even know where the sound is coming from. Oh, okay, right here. Cool. I was actually covering it. To show y'all pretty much how the camera's looking right now. I haven't messed with the settings too much, but yeah, y'all. Pretty cool. It's got the head strap on. Essentially, yeah. There you go, y'all. Got that video done. Let me close this out real quick. It was I want to say like a 5-minute video. Honestly, it kind of heated up a pretty good amount, but it was a cool experience, y'all. I felt like it looked pretty good, but I'm real curious to see like the quality after it's uploaded to my phone and uploaded to YouTube or whatever the case may be, Instagram, whatever. So these are the two attachments, the handler, head strap. Got footage out the way with both of these. Turn this thing off real quick. There we go. That'll be it for today, y'all. I hope y'all have a great day. It's your boy Ray, and I'm out.
Ever took a chance when you was down to your last? In desperation, it'll serve you, set you free from your past. If all it takes is one shot, swear to God I'm a blast.